My name is Dave Tyndall, and I am proud to represent the men and women of the San Jose Police Department. I must say, we must stand together. We stand by our API community to condemn hate and hate amongst all communities among us. We know that as a community requires solutions. And those solutions for public safety and for community safety require that we all work together in a community effort. We know it is not just the police department. We know it is not just the district attorney's office. We know that each and every one of us have a part in identifying and rooting out the root causes of hate crimes and working together in solving them. I am proud, and as you will see over here with some of our officers, to announce the Safe Places Initiative. This initiative is a place where anyone can go to report hate crime. You've probably seen our police officers on the streets, out on foot, working with our communities, working with our businesses, and working with our faith-based organizations to create a place where you, the community, can report hate crimes, where you, the community, can garner information, and where that information can be passed on to police. Please stop by and talk to our booth over there. We have information in 4 different languages. And we can do this together through the organizations that are here today to help root out the root causes of hate crime. Lastly, I am proud to introduce several individuals behind me. Chief Chris Sung from the Mountain View Police Department. Chief Pete DeSena from the Los Gatos Monte Sereno Police Department. And Chief Fawn No from the Sunnyvale Department of Public Safety, who is also the sitting president of the Santa Clara County Chief of Police and Sheriff Association. As I stand before you here today, I make the commitment that we stand in solidarity and together, because we know that hate does not follow jurisdictional lines. We know that hate can occur anywhere, and we know as a law enforcement community, we must all work together towards hate crimes, and especially with our API community. Please call, please report, please let us know. We are here to help. And again, as I speak for every man and woman for the San Jose Police Department, we are here to help. I would like to introduce Chief Fawn No.